cracking out? It's PK Smoke Rubber. Want to change out the cabin filters. There are two. This one is pretty dirty. Looks like it might even be original. But anyway, I already opened the little door here for this. It's just one screw. New one, charcoal activated, nice foam. New one's in. This one's pretty bad as well. That's it. Both are installed. Hopefully I have a little bit better airflow now. Nope, still not great airflow. And so that means the filters that are underneath underneath the glove box and the other side of the dashboard here is probably what needs to be replaced next, because it's a tiny bit better really, but not significant. If I put on AC, yeah, there's actually like air right now, but it's not that great. Yeah, not that great. But a little better for sure. It's not terribly. Before it was blank, you could barely feel a wisp of air. And here you got a little bit of something. I don't know if you guys can see that, kind of. Not really useful. Anyway. Alright, well, we got somewhat of an AC right now. But it looks like those cabin filters inside the cabin of the car will need to be replaced before we have ruled out, you know, filters being a problem. Again, this car's been pretty well maintained before I bought it, and trying to keep up with that as well. I actually have somewhat of AC airflow right now, and I didn't have anything before, so I think that's a good sign. Yeah, I'm gonna keep up with it and see what we come up with. Ongoing project, right? Alright guys, well, if you like what you saw here, I'd really like to do another one, including replacing the cabin filters that are down there, the little rectangular pieces. I have not yet found a solid resource on how to do that, or video or anything of that sort. There's a really good video about how to do it on this side, the passenger side, which, you know, will be handy. But I hope that if I can do this side and document the process for you guys, might be very useful to the E38 community and related models. So look out for that soon. And as always, if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit like. Feel free to comment. I'd love if you subscribe, and share this with your friends and family. Alright, hope everyone's staying safe, sane, and healthy out there, and let's keep these projects going. Alright, peace.